What is dynamic search ads and should I use it? Yes, absolutely. So we call them the DSA, dynamic search ads. It's super simple and easy to set up, first of all. Secondly, you don't have any headache of the keywords. No, writing responsive search ads, which has got up to 15 headlines and 4 description lines. All you do is you set the targeting as to what Google should look at on your website. Google is going to scan your category pages or whichever pages you want to for it to look at. All you do is you give it 2 headlines or description lines. Beg your pardon. You don't need to worry about writing headlines. Even Google is going to write the the headlines and run it. And trust me, it works wonderfully well, and it will show you search queries which you never ever considered. So you can expand your campaign really well. So when you go into your search query tab, you will see when and how the ads were shown. And if you find any good search queries which are not in your account, then you start putting them into your main search campaigns. So super simple to use. There's no target. There's no keywords to worry about. No bidding, and you just let Google do its thing, and you'll be very pleasantly surprised. What I would recommend you do is you write those 2 description lines very carefully. So if you are, let's say you're running a web store for furniture, so you're selling chairs, tables, sofas, and so on. But even in the chair category, you will have different types and kinds of chairs, right? Designer chairs, office chairs, dining chairs, and so on. Segment them out. Don't just have one ad group and throw all these chairs in one. And if you are running or have made up an ad group for, let's say, dining chairs, the description should say dining chairs and nothing about office chairs. Then you make another ad group for office chairs, another ad group for, garden chairs or whatever chairs you have. Make them separate and then write the relevant ads or the description lines for those ads. Then you're going to get some really, really good results.